In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable chat on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're new to Teams or just looking to brush up on your skills, this guide is perfect for getting up and running with the chat feature in no time. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Microsoft Teams website. It's where all the magic starts. For those who already have an account, click on the Sign In button. If you're using this platform for the first time, you'll have to create an account. It's a straightforward process, just follow the prompts, and you'll be set up in no time. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Teams homepage. Here, you need to navigate to the chat section. You can find it easily on the sidebar. It's where all your conversations live, waiting for your witty banter and expert insights. Now, to kick off a new conversation, look for the new chat icon. It's usually symbolized by a pencil inside a square or circle located near the top of the chat section. Clicking on this icon is your first step to starting fresh conversations or group chats. Next, it's time to find the person or people you want to chat with. In the search bar that appears, type in the email address of your intended recipient. This search feature is pretty intuitive. It helps you find the people you need to connect with by matching the information you type with the profiles within your organization or your contacts. After typing in the email address, you'll see profiles start to populate. Click on the profile of the person you want to chat with. This action opens a new chat window with that individual. If you've clicked on the correct person, you're now ready to type out your message. Typing your message is as simple as clicking into the text box at the bottom of your newly opened chat window. Here's a little tip. Keep your messages clear and concise, especially in a professional setting. Once your message is typed out and ready to go, hit the send button, and just like that, you've initiated a conversation in Microsoft Teams. Remember, Teams is more than just sending messages back and forth. It's a robust tool designed for collaboration. So, as you get comfortable with chats, don't hesitate to explore features like video calls, file sharing, and integrating other Microsoft apps into your Teams experience. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on how to enable chat in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're coordinating with colleagues on a project or just keeping in touch throughout the workday, the ability to chat effectively can make all the difference. Keep practicing, exploring, and before you know it, you'll be a Teams chat pro. Happy chatting!